Hi. So we are Cymour Bicycle Institute. We are India's one and only bicycle institute that offers courses for mechanics, for cyclists. So we face a big challenge of cycle maintenance. Bike shops don't know how to repair gears. Lot of knowledge gap is there, and that's where we conduct a 10-day course, which is for mechanics, for cycle shop owners to come and attend and learn how to do repair maintenance systematically. Along with Park Tool School, we also have courses for cyclists. So when you are riding, you are facing these challenges of how to fix a puncture, how to fix your gears. You don't know if the cycle shop has done the right type of work on your cycle. If someone is telling you that the gears are gone, the chain needs to be replaced, you can also know on your own if it is true and when to replace parts, and mainly how to work on preventive maintenance, how you can take care of your cycle and where you will save a lot of money on repairs and maintenance. So that's what we do. We are based out of Pune. We conduct courses across India. So you can check out our website and get in touch with us through Instagram, Facebook, and we will be very happy to help you as a bike shop, as a cyclist, in all your repair maintenance requirements.
What is your website name and your Instagram handle?
We are cymour.com. You can just Google bicycle mechanic course and we are the first ones will be there because we are the only ones.
Thank you.
Thank you.